prefixes. Sort 9 compound words. Here are your words for this week. Bookmark, cookbook, countdown, snowplow, daylight, sunlight, flashlight, headstrong, bookworm, headlight, head first, snowball, headphone, downstairs, headlight, scrapbook, downtown, snowflake, lightweight, downpour, snowstorm. In most compound words, you can put the meanings of smaller words together to figure out the meaning of the compound word. For example, the one we just talked about, bookcase, is a case with shelves that hold books. Cookbook is a book with recipes that shows you how to cook. Look at some of the other words on your list. Can you think of how those two words come together to add meaning to the whole word? The instructions for this sort say, sort the compound words into groups with shared word parts. If you look at your words, and you look at the sort columns below, what do you notice? You'll be sorting these words by word parts that they have in common with the column. For example, your first word, bookmark, you'll look at the columns below and see bookmark is a compound word made up of the words book and mark. It's something you use to mark your place in a book. Do you see the word book or mark underlined in one of those columns? It goes in the blue column under bookcase. So you would put the word bookmark under the word bookcase. If you notice, there's one word that's in your sort twice. It's the word headlight. The first time it has our light underlined. The second time it has the word head underlined. And if you notice your columns on the bottom, there's one that has light underlined and one that has head underlined. What did you learn from this sort? Did you learn that a compound word is made up of two smaller words? And that you can figure out its meaning by joining the meanings of the two smaller words? That worked for most of the words in your sort, but there were a couple that were tricky, like the word headstrong. Headstrong doesn't mean to have a strong head. It means to be strong-willed, or strong in your mind. If you're unsure about the meanings of some of the compound words, make sure to look them up. Thank you very much for your hard work today. This was Syllables and Indexes, Sort 9 Compound Words. Have a great rest